good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 18 from verse 1 to verse 11. Jesus get locked up. After Jesus done pray, him and him follower them cross over one river where they call Kidron. One garden did there and him and him follower them go in there. Now Judas, the one who sell out Jesus, didn't know where the place there, because enough time Jesus used to meet up with him follower them there. So Judas come to the place with one group of soldiers. The head priest them and the Pharisee them send some of the man them where guard God house there too. The whole of them go in at the garden with lamp, torch and all sort of things to fight with. So Jesus now, through him they don't know where did that go happen to him, walk up to them and ask them say, who na look for? Jesus will come from Nazareth, them say. And me that, Jesus said to them. No, Judas, the one who sell him out, did I turn up there with them. So now, when Jesus said, and me that, the soldier and the guard them draw back and drop a ground. Then Jesus asked them one another time, say, who na look for? And them say again, say, we are look for Jesus, we come from Nazareth. Me just don't tell you say, and me him, Jesus said to them. If I me not look for, they make them man here there with me, go on. Him said this here, for make what write down in a God word come true. It say, not even one of them where you give me not last. Simon Peter did have one sword, and him draw it out and chop off the right ears of the servant for the leader for the priest them. The servant did name Malchus. But Jesus said to Peter, say, put back your sword in its case. Me not for drink out of the cup when my father give me for drink out of. Me not for suffer. Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.